Now look at this.
Crush na si Buboy ka rin.
No, not
Dati.
anymore.
Ah!
I was 6.
Crush niya.
That was, oh my gosh, that was,
Inamin mo sa video.
yeah, that was 9 years ago.
Uy, shoutout nga pala sa'yo. Crush na crush ka na kapatid ko dati.
Dati. 9 years ago.